Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana projects, track tasks and team progress step by step clearly. To log into your Asana account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.asana.com and press enter. Once the Asana homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Asana account. Type in your email address and then click the Continue button. Next, you will receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password accurately. If you wish to remain logged in, check the box that says Keep me logged in. After entering your password, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Asana dashboard. Here, you can view all your projects and tasks at a glance. To track tasks, navigate to the project you want to monitor. Click on the project name to open it. Inside the project, you can see all tasks assigned to you and your team. Use the filters and sorting options to manage your view of tasks. Observe task progress through the status updates and completion indicators. To stay updated on team progress, check the Activity section of the project. Regularly review this section to keep track of any changes or comments. Asana also offers an option for notifications, which you can customize for your needs. This will help ensure you never miss important updates from your team. That's how you log into Asana and track tasks and team progress effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.